In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Microsoft Azure certification. So if you're looking to boost your career in cloud computing, earning an Azure certification can be a great step. Microsoft offers various Azure certifications based on different skills level. They have a fundamental level for beginners, and they also have a associate level for intermediate and a expert level for advanced. Now, make sure you are logged in and have an account here in Microsoft Learn account. And if you don't have an account, just click sign up and follow the registration process. Now, prepare for the exam. Use free learning paths on Microsoft Learn to study for the exam. Consider paid courses from Udemy, Coursera, or plural sites for deeper insights. And after that, download the official Microsoft Exam Skills outline for your chosen certifications and then use practice tests to access or to assess your knowledge before scheduling the exam. Now to register for the exam, you can choose your exam and click schedule exam and then select a test provider and then choose between online protocol exam or test center exam. So you'll need to pay the exam fee. It usually ranges to $99 to $165 depending on the certification level. And then after that, select an exam date and time that works for you. And if taking the exam online, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet environment. And then follow Microsoft's ID verification and security guidelines. And then keep a valid government issued ready for verification. Now, if you are taking the exam at the test center, arrive 30 minutes early with your ID and then follow the test center's instructions. So, the exam typically consists of 40 to 60 multiple choice questions and lasts 90 to 120 minutes. And then after passing, you'll get an official Microsoft badge on your Microsoft Learn profile and then download your certificate from the Microsoft certification dashboard and you can share it on LinkedIn to showcase your achievement. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Microsoft Azure certification in 2024. So whether you're starting with the fundamentals or aiming for an expert level certifications, this guide will help you get on the right track. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.